How to log into Canva student account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you will see the search box. Over there, type in Canva student login and search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website, canvas.instructure.com. You'll be directed to the official website. Now, here you're going to see the option of login. Click on it. With that, you will be directed to this page. Now, here you have to select your account type. Students and educators, free Canvas account, Canvas community, Canvas network. Go ahead and select the option of students and educators. With that, you will be directed to the login page. Now you have to fill this to access your account. Provide your Canvas account's credentials, email and password. In the case you have forgotten the password, click on this option to recover it. Once you fill this, click on login. Just with that, you will be logged into your account. Well, this way you can easily log into Canva student account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.